Hi there, my name is Jason Revelle. I'm a math instructor at Western Technical College. Congratulations on your decision to take courses here at Western. If you're watching this video, you must be trying to decide what courses to take for an upcoming term and specifically what math course you should take. That can be a tough decision, and we at Western want to balance your career goals with what your math skill level is and balance that against the demands of a college level math class. In this video, we'll help you decide if college algebra is the right course for you. So why take college algebra? Algebra is the best pathway towards a career in science, technology, engineering, or math. Those are often called STEM careers. It'll build your algebra skills to a level where you can be successful in any of those careers where you're going to be using a significant amount of math and studying some science. These credits would count towards either the Associate of Arts degree at Western or the Associate of Science degree at Western. And college algebra is a staple course at almost all colleges and universities, so it'll transfer almost everywhere. So the next question is, what skills will you need in college algebra? It's important to have the right skills when that course begins so that you can be set up for success right away. A lot of the work in college algebra uses function notation. So here's an example on your screen. You would need to know what this notation means. If f of x is equal to negative 3x squared minus 4, then can you evaluate f of negative x? If you know what to do in that situation and what that's asking you to do, that's a good sign that you're ready for college algebra. If you're not familiar with that notation or don't really know what you're being asked, then a different course might be right for you. Here's another example. College algebra explores functions by changing the way they look. And so you would need to know what this means. If you're given the function shown here, you might be asked to factor that expression. If you know how to factor that function, that'd be great. You're probably ready for college algebra. But if you're not quite sure how to do that, then a different course might be a better choice right now. Here's one more example. College algebra explores functions in their graphs, so you would need to know what this means. Given this function, determine the domain of that function f of x. So would you know how to find that domain? If so, super. You are probably ready for college algebra, but if not, it might be better to take a different course. So you might feel really good about having those skills and starting college algebra, but you might also feel like maybe you need a little bit of refresher. So let's talk about some alternatives to college algebra. If you know that you want a STEM career and you need to get ready for college algebra, then you might want to consider intermediate algebra. That's a great starting point for college level math classes, and it'll help you relearn some skills you've forgotten or maybe fill in some gaps that you have so that you can do well in college algebra in the future. There's a similar video to this one on determining if intermediate algebra is the right course for you, so I'd recommend watching that if you're considering that course. Okay, well, if you think college algebra might not be the right course because you aren't planning to enter one of the STEM careers, then quantitative reasoning might be a good course for you. Quantitative reasoning is a course that studies math from a broader perspective and covers more topics than just algebra, and really explores how math can be used in a wide variety of situations. And again, there's a similar video to this one helping you decide if quantitative reasoning is the right course for you. You might want to watch that video. Okay, well, if you're still unsure or need more information, the best resource for you to contact would be your admissions coach or your college advisor. They can help you make a final choice. But if you're still unsure or not sure who those people are or who to contact, you can just call Western at the number shown on your screen, and we'll connect you to somebody who can help you make that choice. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and no matter which course you decide on, we're looking forward to seeing you in one of our math classes at Western soon.